Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Clean Up Storage Cleaner Kit app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Clean Up Storage Cleaner Kit is a device cleaning and storage management app designed to help users free up space, remove unnecessary files, and optimize their phone's performance. It's available on both iOS and Android and focuses on organizing photos, videos, contacts, and other files to make your device run more efficiently. The app's main feature is its smart photo cleanup system. It scans your gallery for duplicate pictures, similar shots, blurred images, and large videos that take up too much space. You can swipe through them and choose which ones to delete. It also detects old screenshots, outdated files, and unused items so you can remove them quickly. Cleaner Kit includes tools for contact merging, calendar cleaning, and basic device performance checks as well. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its fast scanning, simple interface, and accurate detection of duplicates. Its swipe-to-clean design makes it easy to organize your gallery without spending hours manually checking each file. Users also like the additional tools that help manage storage more efficiently. However, there are some drawbacks. The app's free version offers limited cleanup options, and most advanced tools require a subscription. Some users have reported that the app occasionally marks useful photos as duplicates, so manual review is important. In addition, the effectiveness of the cleanup may vary depending on your device and how much access the app is granted. In summary, the Cleaner Kit app may be worth using if you want a simple and fast way to clean your phone, manage photos, and free up storage space. However, if you prefer manual management or don't want to pay for premium features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.